Well, joining us now, Mohit Bhan, the spokesperson of the PDP, and Mr. PKD Nambiar also joins us. He's someone close to the BJP.
Yeah, I can hear you, Vishnu. Good morning.
So, Mr. Nambiar, what are your expectations of this meeting?
I think it's a great start. I think there can't be a better timing. I mean, the terrorism activities in the valley is at its lowest. The pandemic is almost getting over. I think it is the time for the real democratic activities to be starting in the state. I think the call by the Prime Minister at this particular time can't be a better time. And I also believe that all the political parties now have come together to be a part of this political process. It's a great move. I would say that the better sense should prevail. At the end of the day, the peace and the democratic activity and the economic activity should be starting in a much better way, so that it can be, Kashmir should not be now onwards treated as a separate place altogether. Rather than that, it should be treated like any other state in the country, and every Kashmiri should be able to get what all we, you and me get elsewhere in the country should also be able to get. I think the economy is more important, the peace process is more important, and the political process which you and me enjoy here in rest of the country should also be available to every Kashmiri, and they should also be taken to the mainstream. I congratulate the Prime Minister Modi for taking this initiative, and there can't be a better time, Vishnu. Firstly is that Indian government, it is not only this government, the successive Indian governments have always been ready, and Indian governments are the one which has taken the one step ahead in terms of having a talk with Pakistan. The history proves it. But the only thing is that the Indian government is clearly maintaining that you can't have terrorism and talks go hand in hand. The history has proved, even in the last couple of years, that most of the time when we show them the hand to talk, we get something else on the platter. So if that cannot go hand in hand, if there is an atmosphere which is the purely at the responsibility of Pakistan, because the whole world knows that the Pakistan is the epitome and the epicenter of terrorism for across the world. And if they have been able to contain, if the terrorism is being able to contain, if they are not exporting any more terrorists to India, I think India should talk, and Indian governments, it's irrespective of Prime Minister Modi or Manmohan Singh, or for that matter any old prime ministers, have always maintained that even the great the words by the great Vajpayee ji said once that you can't change the neighbor. So we always have to talk to them. But then in an atmosphere where there is peace, so that's in an atmosphere there is no terrorism is exported.
And a very sort of progressive look in a sense of what's happening. There is peace now. Terrorism is at a low. The line of control is peaceful, and that's very good. So perhaps, Mr. Nambiar, this is a good time to actually look at more conducive talks, particularly since there are reports that the National Security Advisor is also at some level or the other engaging his Pakistani counterparts. But let's just also focus a little bit more sharply on this political process today in Delhi. My colleague Nazir Masoodi spoke earlier on to the CPM leader Yusuf Tariqami, one of those leaders who will be there in these talks.